In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and create work schedules in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, having a clear and organized work schedule is crucial to keeping everyone on track and tasks running smoothly. Let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your profile, which you'll find conveniently located at the top right corner of your Monday.com dashboard. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu. You'll want to select the administration option from this menu. This will take you into the administration settings, where all the magic happens in terms of managing the underlying details of your workspace. Once you're in the administration settings, you'll notice a left-hand panel that contains various categories for settings. This is where you'll navigate to the next part of our process. Look for the category labeled General. Once you've opened that category, you'll see an option specifically for Work Schedule. Select it and you're ready to start managing your schedules. On this page, you have an overview of all the work schedules you've created so far. To start something new, you'll want to click on the Add a Schedule button. This is where you get to create a brand new work schedule tailored specifically to your team's needs. Now, let's set the foundation for your schedule. You can select the days of the week that your team will be working. Alongside choosing the days, you'll also set the start and end times, essentially the check-in and check-out times. This is crucial for defining the specific boundaries of the workday, helping set expectations for everyone involved. Beyond the regular workdays, it's essential to account for any days off. This could include public holidays or any other days your team won't be working. By defining these days off in advance, it ensures that all the work expectation is clearly communicated to everyone. It's one less thing to worry about, and it helps avoid any misunderstandings further down the line. Lastly, you'll want to assign this new schedule to the appropriate teams. By correctly assigning the teams, you ensure that everyone who should be following this schedule has access to it and adheres to it seamlessly. Once you've set the days, times, adjusted for days off, and assigned the teams, it's time for the final step. Click on the Finish button to wrap it all up. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new work schedule in Monday.com. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your team's time and ensure everyone is on the same page regarding their work schedule. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you next time.